Today, we present to you the new ECONO Apes EER4 electric bike, model 2025, designed for those looking for a comfortable and efficient vehicle for city riding and flat terrain. The ECONO Apes EER4 is equipped with a powerful rear motor, the Bafang H400B, offering 40 Nm of torque. For long and reliable rides, the ECONO battery is available in three capacities: 520, 700, and 800 watt-hour. All batteries are interchangeable. With the purchase of the 520 watt-hour battery, you will receive the standard 2A charger, while purchasing the larger batteries will get you a faster 4A charger for shorter charging times. On the compact, color-side display, you'll be able to track all key data about your ride. You can choose from 5 levels of assistance: Eco, Tour, Sport, Sport Plus, and Boost, allowing you to adjust the bike to your needs and terrain. The ECONO Apes EER4 is equipped with SR Suntour front suspension with 75 mm of travel, ensuring a comfortable ride even on slightly uneven city surfaces. Tektro hydraulic brakes provide reliable and efficient stopping power, while the Shimano Altus 9-speed drivetrain enables smooth shifting to adapt to any terrain. The bike is designed for comfortable city riding. It features a wide seat, ergonomic grips, and an adjustable stem. The upright posture and relaxed riding position are ensured by the curved handlebars, allowing for a comfortable and relaxed ride. With 28-inch rims and 2.0 wide tires, the bike is ready for the daily challenges of city roads and light rides. For more information about the model, visit our website at ECONO EU. Stop by our store or contact our extensive network of partners. We'll be happy to answer all your questions and help you choose the perfect bike for your needs.